Hey guys, it's Phil from OG. Today I'll guide you on a step-by-step on how to install your new OG 2009 and up Touring Remote Reservoirs. For this demonstration, we'll be using a 2024 Road Glide. Before starting, I highly advise you to grab your shop manual for additional information. Today we will need the following tools. For this install, you will need a ratchet, a 3/4 socket, a Torx T40, an Ohlins socket 316 and a 532 Allen socket, and a torque wrench. First, we will move the saddlebag from your bike. If you haven't done so already, now it's the time to install your new suspension according to the manufacturer's instructions. Using the appropriate tool, remove both strut covers on each side of the bike. Now let's identify the support brackets and slide them onto your reservoirs. Your kit includes a clutch side mount and a brake side mount. Once you've identified the correct mounts for each side, slide them onto the reservoirs. For Ohlins HD 044s, HD 778s, or HD 779s, place the reservoir support onto the reservoir, aligning the mount with the rib on the reservoir. Ensure the hose is centered within the fixing brace. For Legend suspension, use the provided Legend reservoir shim. Align the banjo bolt with the OG logo on the mount. If you're using a tour pack, place the reservoir mount as low as possible for clearance. Next, secure the support bracket onto the canister. Tighten the 1/4 flathead screw just enough to prevent movement. We'll do the final torque once everything is installed. Now let's identify the support arms. Locate the clutch side and brake side support arm. The next step is important. We must determine your bike's configuration and correct spacers placement. In any case, place the short spacer on the bolt that is towards the front of the bike. If your bike is equipped with a quick attach bracket, place the long spacer in the washer on the bike that is towards the rear of the bike. If you have a rubber saddlebag insert, place the long spacer and the short spacer on the bolt that is towards the rear of the bike. And if your bike is equipped with a rigid plastic insert, place the long spacer on the bolt that is towards the rear of the bike and make sure the spacers are positioned correctly, and then install your support arms. Next, we're going to install the reservoirs onto the arms. For the Ohlins HD 044, HD 778, and HD 779, install the reservoir support on the support arm using the short 5/16 flathead screw. Ensure the proper hose routing to prevent rubbing against the saddlebag lid. For Legend suspension, install the reservoir support onto the support arm using the same screw. Secure the hose with the supplied zip tie. Now that everything is mounted, we'll make sure every bolt is properly torqued. Tighten all 5/16 flathead screws to 22 foot-pounds. Torque the 1/4 flathead to 76 inch-pounds. Next, we will reinstall the saddlebags. Finally, we'll go around and make sure there's no contact with any body parts and make sure the hoses are mounted properly and not rubbing anywhere. If you have any questions regarding this installation, please feel free to call us or email us at any time. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.